Okay, Ralph, it's me, Tim, attorney. I'm going to see if I'm as smart as I think I am, or I hope that I am. The location of, I put these hinges on, right? Put them on there. Got a little mortise on mortise-free tenons, hinges, just because I want to have a very little gap in the back. So now I have to try to locate the holes, on the other side perfectly along the base here. So what I'm going to do is I've melted some wax right where those holes might be, and I'm going to put this lid on it and press it down hard, and hopefully that'll make an impression right where those screw holes need to be. What do you think? Think it'll work? Well, I'm going to try to set the camera up, or the phone, so you can see what farfignugan is happening. And there it is. Okay, so let's see what happens. The thing is, I got to get it perfectly oriented. I mean, why go through all the trouble of making the box and then cutting it, and then not being able to line up the hinges so that you get that beautiful fit, which I don't usually get. Okay, so there. And probably the camera will fall over when I do this. Not yet. Nope, things moved. Okay, well actually they kind of moved and kind of sunk into the wax. Alright, let's take a look. Not exactly. Alright, and that's fine. I think what I'll do here is shave off. Whoa. Okay. I picked up. Okay, I'm going to shave off a little of this because that's an erroneous location there. This could work. I might need wax in another place. Now, if you can think of a better way to do this while I'm doing this, give me a call. Because I don't want to go through this for no reason. A little funny there. Okay, let's see. In the front's best, right? Well, I don't know, man. Let's see what happens here. Pounding on wood is not a good idea. Little off, but I'm going to do it again. Okay, I feel very, it's kind of stuck on this. That's good. No, shoot it. One of them stuck in there. So there's one hole right there, and there's two. They're both on there. Let's see. I can't tell if you can see, but that's one impression. And that's another. Maybe it's a matter of light. And focus would be certainly part of it. And then here's one. Here's one. Focus. And then the other one pulled out into the other piece. Okay, I'll let you know.